make sure that we're giving our children the opportunity to connect with nature, to understand the cycle of life in terms of the food that they eat, the nature around us, and this investment is really important for us. So I appreciate the work that's happening here. We use the produce here to provide in our kitchens and our lunches for the students. That's almost unheard of. I don't know of any other school district in California that does that. So it's super unique. And by providing this space for our students and your help today, we'll make this an outstanding program for our students for the years to come. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much.